Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today I am playing. What am I playing at? Oh crikey, noisy. Some of you have been observing my monochrome playing, and there's been a couple of suggestions in the comments on those about what to try, what to do different, what to be or do different. One of them was around the thickness of my paint, and one of them was around putting a little bit of colour in. I'm trying to find who suggested that. So Christina said it'd be fun to see a repeat pour with fresh batteries and thinner paint. So that was on the spin one. And who was the other one? There was another one somewhere, and that was on, and it was about putting a single ring of colour in amongst the monochrome. And I can't find your comment, I'm sorry, otherwise I would mention you. How does it get any better than this? So Terry also mentioned about a thinner pour, and where? No, can't find you. Sorry, whoever it was. The other thing I saw when I was looking at monochrome pictures on YouTube the other day was herringbone. Now, herringbone is... Oh joy, we have a truck coming home and I have all the doors open. I might pause and close the doors on them. So herringbone is where you've got like half circles and they overlap each other, a bit like fish scales, hence the herringbone. And I saw one where the monochrome kind of went a bit like that, where you've got, you know, oops, alternate lines, you know what I mean. Anyway, so, and I was thinking, I wonder, could you do that with pouring? So what I thought I'd try is pour a circle and then pour another one beside it. So start here and see if, as it pushes out when you pour the next bit, whether this pushes this up out of the way. Does that make sense? Is anybody making sense today? No, probably not. So I'm going to give it a go on this small little one. I've got a bit of paint mixed up, and I'm going to throw in a couple of little splotches of different colours as well, because, you know, hey, may as well have a bit of fun while I'm doing it, right? So let's give this a go. I know I normally don't bother with this with the fast acrylic because it washes off so beautifully, and I'm using other colours as well, so I don't trust them. Okay, so pretty much what my awareness is with this is you've got to start at the top and work your way down. So let's do that. Let's start from the very beginning. What a very good place to start. It's not going to quite work out how I described it, I don't think, because it's going to push all the lines up. I don't know if you're If you visual, check me out, I'm shocking. That's not going to work, is it? I'm just going to get annoyed with myself if I do that. Right. Let's get a couple of my old eyedroppers. Maybe wondering why I'm doing it so close. Oops. That's so that when they spread, it pushes against. Did I? So what I'm doing is I am wetting the whole side so that when the paint runs off to make a pretty edge, it's just going to run straight down. It's not going to get all caught up on the dry canvas. So now remember, there's no silicone in this at all, so any cells that are showing up are purely accidental. Right, well, the herringbone thing didn't really work, but it did give us something to get the process started, get a system. Still some bubbles in there, which I might torch in a second. And I got the colours in, kind of gives a little bit of a swish. The colours are definitely a different, the orange is definitely a different consistency to the rest of them. Right, I'm going to torch that and then I'm going to leave it because I like it it's different, and thank you all for your suggestions. Oh, that's not a bubble. I actually think there might be some silicone in the green, because that's behaving like there's silicone in it. How cute. But that is not an air bubble. That, my dear friends, is a lump which needs to go away. So what do you reckon? Oh, there's kind of a herringbone-y kind of thing happening there. Maybe. Probably could have done it different, but I didn't. So, let me know in the comments how you would have done it different. Flick me a message on Facebook if you have photos of you having done it different. I'd love to see what you've done, what your magic you've created with 2 colours. Oh, well, in this case 4, but you know. This looks like a bit of a ghost. Interesting. How's it get any better than this? It was worth the play. I liked it. I had fun. Hope you did too, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Cheers, bye.